Yes, well, it's true that the COVID-19 pandemic will be one of the main topics of this year's summit. The African continent was actually relatively less hit by the pandemic, with about 3.5% of global cases and 4% of deaths. But with the new wave and with the new strain, the new South African strain of the virus hitting African countries, authorities across the continent are increasingly worried. South African President Cyril Ramaphosa should address members of the African Union later on Saturday and give an update on the COVID-19 response in Africa. Many African leaders have actually expressed their anger about the rush for vaccines, accusing rich countries of hoarding the vaccines and of being responsible for rising prices, while only 4 African countries have started to vaccinate their citizens. Africa has secured about 900 million doses of the vaccine, but it's not clear when they will be able to be distributed. And this only amounts for 30% of the population, which is about half of what is needed to make the continent immune.
This crisis overshadowing other ones, some of which you've covered for France 24. Security issues, a big topic as well.
Yes, so several conflicts in Africa are set to be discussed during the summit. This includes the conflict in the Sahel region as well as in Cameroon. But perhaps the most sensitive issue is going to be the conflict in Ethiopia's northern Tigray region. The conflict has been going on for over 3 months now between the federal government and forces of the Tigray People's Liberation Front. The international community has expressed its concern several times and criticized the Ethiopian Prime Minister for a lack of access to the region, where millions of people are believed to be suffering from a humanitarian crisis with shortages of food and health facilities. The African Union actually tried to start mediation between the Ethiopian Prime Minister and the Tigrayan leaders, but Abiy Ahmed has so far rejected any of those attempts. He assures that what he calls a law enforcement operation in Tigray is now over, so it's not clear to what extent African Union members will in fact discuss this matter during the summit.
All right, thank you very much, Maria. Maria Geert Nicolescu reporting.